Tomorrow is Heritage Day. I'm gonna come and with a black bag, I'm gonna close Jan van Riebeeck's face. That guy is evil. That's the reason why I'm using a black. He stole our land. My parents were bulldozed out of District 6. How can they still keep that guy there? How can I celebrate Heritage Day? Today, if I own a piece of land or a house, I must have a deed of sale. Where did they bought the land? Today the land is in the hands of City of Cape Town. I want to know by whom City of Cape Town bought the land. Why must I have a piece of document as a deed of sale? They stole our land. They must go to prison. They are the criminals, not me. I'm an activist.
Why did ANC not put them in jail?
Now,
When Hitler was
me, as an ANC member, in good standing, I want to see national government take action about this. They have to. Why do they put Nelson Mandela? His statue is inside by the parliament, and outside the parliament is another guy, also a white guy, that came and stole our land. Right? So they must rectify that. They must make that right. Tomorrow, I don't care. They can come arrest me, but that is my job. I'm an activist. Yeah, as part of the process. There's a revolution taking place. This is the beginning of the revolution.